What's up everybody, Manga Pencil Art here, and today I will be teaching you how to draw Fugaku Uchiha's Mangekyou Sharingan. For this drawing, I'll be using a parallelogram with 7 by 5 centimeters as a guideline. First, we can draw the outside of his eye using 2 curves and a point at the top. Then add a layer around it. Draw a circle in the middle and add some thickness to it. Then draw 2 circles in the middle and 3 circles on the outside, and curve those to touch the edge of the circle. Draw 2 circles next to each point and connect them together using one line. Draw the eyelid and the eyebrow by making 2 curved lines that get thinner as they connect, and draw the wrinkles next to and under his eyes. Now we are done drawing and we can move on to inking. We can move on to the last step now that we are done with inking, which is coloring, and for that I'll be using Copic markers. For the inside of his eye, use RV29 as the lightest color, R37 and R59 as the darkest color. For the outside of his eye, use C2 and C4 to add shadow under his eyebrow. Now to color his eyebrows, I'm going to use 2 browns, which are E47 and E77, then fill in the tomos with just a black pen. Now, for the final step of this drawing, I'm going to add highlights in his eye with the white pen. And we are done. This is how you draw Fugaku Uchiha's Mangekyou Sharingan. Please drop a like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Mangekyou Sharingan.